Understanding Flood Damage Repairs, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that you might come across in news reports, insurance policies, or even in conversations related to natural disasters. We're going to explore what flood damage repairs means, breaking it down into simpler terms, and giving you the context you need to understand and use this phrase correctly. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, academic purposes, or to navigate living in an English-speaking country, this video is for you. Flood damage repairs is a phrase composed of three important words, each carrying significant meaning. Let's dissect it. Flood, a large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. Floods can happen due to heavy rain, melting snow, or when rivers overflow their banks. Damage, harm or injury to property or a person. In the context of floods, damage refers to the negative impact water has on buildings, roads, and other structures. Repairs, the action of fixing or restoring something that has been damaged. Repairs can range from minor fixes to complete reconstruction. When combined, flood damage repairs refers to the process of fixing or restoring properties and infrastructure that have been harmed by floodwaters. Flood damage repairs are crucial in the aftermath of a flood. This process can involve assessing the damage. Experts evaluate the extent of the harm to determine what needs to be fixed. Cleaning up, removing mud, water, and debris from the affected areas. Drying out, ensuring all moisture is removed to prevent mold and further damage. Restoring and rebuilding, fixing damaged structures or completely rebuilding them if necessary. This phrase is commonly used in insurance policies, news reports, and discussions about natural disaster responses. Knowing about flood damage repairs is essential for understanding how communities recover from floods and the challenges they face in doing so. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. In the news, the city has allocated $5 million for flood damage repairs to homes and businesses affected by the recent storm. 2. In insurance, please file a claim for your flood damage repairs within 30 days of the incident to ensure coverage. 3. In conversation, our family is currently dealing with the flood damage repairs. It's been a challenging time, but we're getting through it. Understanding these examples can help English learners grasp the phrase's usage in various contexts, making it easier to follow conversations and media reports about floods. We hope this video has shed some light on what flood damage repairs means and how it plays a vital role in the aftermath of floods. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words but understanding the context in which they're used. If you're ever in an area affected by floods, this knowledge will not only enhance your language skills but also help you understand the recovery efforts happening around you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning videos.